Hello students, this is Amardeep Singh, your computer teacher, and today we are going to continue with the same chapter, formatting worksheets. So in this session we'll discuss about format cell dialog box, and inside that format cell dialog box we will learn about a number tab, alignment tab and font tab, all the options available in these tabs available on format cell dialog. So first we'll discuss about Format Cell Dialog box. Although most of the formatting related requirements get fulfilled by the controls available on Home tab of the ribbon, some special type of formatting are fulfilled by using Format Cell Dialog. As you can see, this one is a Format Cell Dialog, and you can open this dialog by right clicking on some cell and choose Format Cell option. As you can see, if you want to open Format Cell Dialog, then you have to right click on a cell, and then here we are having option Format Cells. When you will click on this option, a Format Cell Dialog will be opened. Then here we are having Format Cell Dialog, and on this dialog we are having so many tabs like Number tab, Alignment tab, Font tab, Border tab, Fill tab, Protection tab, and in the following sessions we'll discuss about all these tabs and options available in these tabs also. So first we are having Number tab available on Format Cell Dialog. The data type can be selected from the options on this tab. So that means this tab is used to decide the format of a value entered in a cell. Now, as you can see, we have filled on a simple numeric value in a cell, and now we will decide the format of this cell, this numeric value, by using Format Cell Dialog. Right click on this cell, then click on Format Cell option. Then here we are having various different categories of numeric formats. First we are having general. In general, the data will be visible, the number will be visible in front of you as it is entered by you. But next we are having a number category. In number category you can decide the decimal places with this numeric value. For example, default decimal places are 2. When you will choose this one, then click OK. Now you can see the 2 decimal places are visible now with this value. If you want to increase or decrease these decimal places, you can click on this arrow. For example, I choose 5 decimal places. Now you can see that after dot there are 5 digits with this numeric value. And next, after that, we are having currency. In currency category, we are having same as a numeric number category, decimal places we can choose from here, but extra in this category we are having a symbol, a currency symbol that we can display in front of a specified value, and next it will display the value in comma separated notation like this. So I'll choose, you can choose the currency symbol here. By default dollar sign is selected. Then when you will click OK, now you can see the value is comma separated and a dollar sign is placed in front of that value. That is the currency. Actually the number is same, but that the display format is changed. Then next we are having accountancy. It's also similar to the currency also. Accountancy, in accountancy we can also choose decimal places and the value will be comma separated also, and you can also choose this one, the same one. And next, after that we are having date, time. These are the different types also. So you can so first four are related to the numeric format, and next we are having date and time related formatting. So to check date and time related format notations, we have to enter a date value here. Then we will check the various formats and various order that you can display a value, numeric value. So first of all, you have to enter a date value that will be by default according to the system MMDD and YY format. That means first you have to enter month. That means today's date is 5, month is 5, that means May, and date is 6th, then 2020. So we have entered 5 6, that means 5th 6th May 2020. If you want to display this date value according to the customized format, then you can right click on this one, then format cell option. Then now we are having date related values. Select this date type, and by default this format is available here in this cell, and you can choose from these are the sample formats. For example, if you will choose this one, then in here in this format, the system will display day name, then month name, then date, and then year. If you will select this one, then click OK. Now you can see that format of this cell has been changed. And you can also check another formats also. For example, this one, date, month name as a shortcut, and then year with separated with the hyphen symbol. Then when you will click on this one, it will display the date like this. So these are the date related format values. After number format tab, we are having alignment tab. These options allow you to change the position and the alignment of the data with within the cell. So that means here we are having alignment tab. With the help of this tab of Format Cell Dialog, you can change the horizontal alignment and vertical alignment and orientation of the text also. You can rotate the text, you can change the orientation of the text inside a cell. So to check the alignment options available in Format Cell Dialog, you should fill some data inside the cells. For example, if I will choose this cell and this value also, and then right click on this cell, Format Cells, and here we are having options available in Alignment tab. So first we are having text alignment. Text alignment, we are having two types of alignment. One is horizontal and second one is vertical. Horizontal alignment means the alignment to left, center and right, and horizontal alignment, vertical alignment means top, bottom and middle also. So first of all we'll check about a horizontal alignment. Then next we are having center. If you will choose center or right indent or fill, justify or anything else, I'll choose right, then click OK. Now you can check that the alignment has been changed. And even we are having these options available on alignment tab of home, alignment section of home tab. You can also do the same from here also. The next another option is here, like a vertical alignment, top, center and bottom. By default is the bottom. I'll choose top and click OK. But if you want to check this alignment, you have to increase the height of that cell. Now we are having top, vertical alignment, and if you will choose center, then you can check it is the center alignment of vertical alignment. And next, after vertical and horizontal alignment, we are also having orientation of the text. You can also rotate this text inside the cell also. So here we are having, you can rotate it by degree also, or you can also click this a pointer. When you will click on this pointer on this red option, you can drag it to another one. For example, I rotate this one to 45-degree angle, and when you will click this one, you can see the alignment of this value has been changed, or that means if you will something inside this cell, now you can check the value of this cell has been changed. The value of this cell has been changed according to specified orientation. You can also specify like this 90-degree. Now you can check this one. So by using this orientation option, you can change the orientation of the text. The next we are having wrap text option. Like when you will click format cell, then here we are having wrap text option. Default is by default it is unchecked, and according to this option, if you will type something inside the cell, then the text will remain in the same line, in the same row. It will not change the line even if the data is more than the width of that cell. Also, for example, the width of cell of this column B is that much, and but you are typing more than that width, but it will not change the line. The data will be not visible in front of you, complete data. When you will double click on this one, it will display the complete data. But if you want to the system to change the line when the data will be more than that width, then again right click on this one, choose this wrap text option. Then when you will click, now you can see increase the width height of this one. Then now you can see the data is visible, complete data is visible, and but system divide the same data into multiple lines. And next also we are having merge and center option available here, and even in that dialog also merge and center option will automatically combine multiple rows or columns. Also, for example, if you want to combine these three cells, then choose all the cells, right click on that one, format cell, merge in cells, then press OK. Then now you can see the system make these three cells and convert these three cells into a single one. And you can also use this option, that is a shortcut to that particular option. After alignment tab, we are having font tab. All of the font attributes are displayed in this tab, including font face, font size, style, and effects. So that means you can change font related attributes or properties by using this font tab available on Format Cell Dialog. Now let's start how to use that font tab available on Format Cell Dialog. Then right click on any cell, Format Cell Dialog, and here we are having Font tab. These options are also available in this font group of Home tab. You can also choose a font size, bold, italic, underline, all these things from this, but this dialog also support the same options. First we can choose the font, the type of font that you want to display in this one. So I have chosen this one, and then next, if you want to display as regular, italic, bold, or a combination of bold and italic, then you can also change the width or height as the size of the font. Then when you click then next, you can also specify the underline that you want to underline that with a single line, double line. I choose a single underline to display the text like this. Here we are having preview. If you will choose double, it will display this double underline. Then next you can choose the uh, color of that font. Also you can also use this same icon to perform the same activity. And next we are having strike through option. Strike through will draw a line in between the cell contents. So next we'll discuss about superscript and subscript also, but first let me check this one. That one is the strike through. So next we are having two options, subscript and superscript. These are used to display some equations, like I want to display uh, H H2O, H2 and O. Now I want to display it in scientific order, and so if you want to make this option as a superscript or subscript, then you can use the you can select this option. Now you can check when you will select this option. This option is actually same like that is available inside the MS Word also. So if you want to display it as subscript, then choose that one, then right click on this format cell, then subscript. Now you can see this one. So if you want to display below above the text written inside that above the baseline, then you have to choose superscript. If you want to display some text below the baseline, then you have to select subscript. So that is all about current session, and we'll discuss remaining tabs available on Format Cell Dialog in next lecture. If you people are having any kind of doubt related